nga ba magpa-certified true copy ng ating annual income tax return? Yan ang isi-share ko ngayon para kung meron nag-require sa inyo na kailangan nila ng certified true copy of your annual ITR, alam na ninyo kung paano ito ipaprocess kay BIR. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Meron pong 5 requirements. Number 1, request letter to BIR RDO. So naka-address po ito sa BIR Revenue District Officer. Number 2 is original complete ITR copy. And then number 3, another complete copy kung ilang set po ang ipapa-certified true copy ninyo. Pag sinabi natin complete ITR copy, kasama syempre yung buong income tax return mo. Pag BIR Form 1701A yan, for freelancer na naka 8% income tax rate option, 2 page po yan. Kasama din po yung BIR email confirmation or yung tax return receipt confirmation. Last po yung payment reference kung may binayaran ka sa income tax return mo. So ayan po yung complete set of income tax return. Number 4 is 100 certification fee per set po. Depende kung ilang copy ang gusto mong ipa-certified true copy. Pag isa lang, 100 pesos lang po yun. And then last po, number 5, 30 pesos, documentary stamp tax. Papabilihin ka po sa BIR RDO, available po yan. Ididikit po yan sa ating certified true copy ITR. 1 documentary stamp tax per 1 set of ITR. Ito po yung example ng request letter to Revenue District Officer. Available po sa website ni BIR kung sino ang Revenue District Officer. Makikita po natin ang pangalan doon at sa kanya po natin i-address ang ating request letter. Reminder lang, iba-iba po ang Revenue District Officer per BIR RDO. Share ko lang yung actual example ng ITR na naka-certified true copy. So ganyan siya, may wording na certified true copy, may signature po ng BIR officer, and then may documentary stamp tax. Ang total na magagastos natin ay 100 pesos certification fee plus 30 pesos documentary stamp tax. Total of 130 pesos. Reminder lang, hindi po required itong certified true copy of ITR. Kailangan lang natin itong gawin if ever meron tayong pre-na-process tapos nag-require sila sa atin, kailangan nila ng ITR na naka-certified true copy. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.